Assalamualaikum and welcome fellows. My name is Ibrahim and in today's video I am going to discuss about true, false and not given question answers. First I am going to define them one by one, and after that I am going to give you some example to help you better understand this lecture. So let's start today's topic. Now first I am going to tell you about the definition of true. If the statement agrees with the information given in the text, then it will be considered as true. Remember that the information should be same, but it doesn't mean the wording of the question and the text will also be same, because examiner always uses synonyms in order to make things difficult for you. Now coming towards the definition of false, the statement that contradicts to the information given in the text, then it will be considered as false. Contradicts means that it is opposite to what is written in the text or in the passage. Thirdly, not given is defined as a statement that is not mentioned or discussed in the actual passage. Now I am going to explain this true, false and not given question with an example. You can see a paragraph from this side of the screen. Just read it for a minute, and after that I am going to share 3 options for this question, and among those options the correct answer is hidden. So you have to find out that, and I am going to assist you with that. So the paragraph says, it is difficult to estimate how many women in Sudan use these products to gain weight because many are reluctant to admit it. Pills are handed out in the village like penny sweets, says Ahmed, a student at the University of Sudan. I have always been scared to use them because I have seen family members fall ill and close friends become dependent on appetite stimulants. My aunt is on the brink of kidney failure and has blocked arteries from taking too many fattening pills. Everyone in the family knows why she is sick, but she won't own up to it. She has had to stop taking the pills on doctor's orders. So guys, as we have read the paragraph, we can get a basic understanding that this paragraph is about some pills, and these pills are used for fattening of the body. Now the 3 options for this paragraph are, number 1 is, since a large number of women in Sudan are not willing to reveal about their mental health, the exact number of women facing the issue is not known. The second statement is, since a large number of women in Sudan are willing to reveal that they take the pills, the exact number of women using them is known. The last one is, since a large number of women in Sudan are not willing to reveal that they take the pills, the exact number of women using them is not known. So guys, now I am going to start with these options one by one, and I will explain it to you that which one of these is true, false or not given. The first option, as you can see, discusses about the mental health. If you have a look at the paragraph, you will find out that mental health is not discussed in this paragraph. So this option is actually not given in the paragraph. Now moving to the second option. As you have read, the second option is totally opposite to what the paragraph is about, because in the paragraph it is written that most of the women are not willing to reveal that they take pills, and it is also difficult to find out the exact number of women using such pills. So the statement number 2 is false, because it totally contradicts or opposes information which is given in the text. Now the last option says that a large number of women are not willing to reveal that they take pills, and because of that it is difficult to find out the exact number of women using them. So this statement is true according to the given information in the passage. Now guys, I hope you understood how to answer these type of questions. Now before ending this video, I am going to give you some tips about these type of questions, how to tackle them. So the tip number 1 is, first identify what you are looking for. Tip number 2, try to anticipate what you are going to see in the text after reading true false not given questions. Step number 3, always try to understand the crux of the paragraph. Step number 4, when you successfully identify the paragraph in your text in which you have found the answer to these type of questions, then read it carefully and try to read it twice. So guys, that was all from today's video. If you guys that today's video was useful for you, then support my channel. I will meet you with the next informative video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.